The movie who designed the stunts and the action scenes from the film. Mr. Kaushal, a proud moment for you, as you had mentioned that whenever any of the team members watch any of the scenes from the film, they tend to SMS you and call you for a great job done.
Yeah, it is a very, very proud moment for me because I think I will take this opportunity to thank God also because just now I was seeing this Pinky from Mirzapur. So it is a coincidence, even my village name is Mirzapur, it is a small village in Punjab. So means it is a long journey, but it is a very proud moment because first of all working with Danny Boyle and the film going to the Oscars, and means how many people get the chance in their life to be associated with the film which is going for the Oscars with so many nominations. I think God has been very, very kind to me. I am feeling so proud. Danny gets the Oscar means I have got the Oscar. Every person belonging to this film industry has got the Oscar. This is a film which is made in India with Indian actors and most of the crew was from India. So I think Oscars, it is for Danny, for the film, for Rahman. It belongs to the Indian film fraternity, it belongs to the Indians, because whenever they are talking of Slumdog, they are talking of India. Whenever they are talking of Rahman, they are talking of India. Whenever they are talking of Rasool Kuti, they are talking of India. It has given a big exposure, and I think it is a moment to cherish for the Indian film industry, because abroad it has given them so much confidence that there is talent in India, and film shot with Indian talent and the Indian actors can go to Oscar.
With news just coming in now, Penelope Cruz has won the prize for Best Supporting Actress for the movie Vicky Cristina Barcelona, in which she plays a divorced woman who shares a love-hate relationship with her husband. Now we go back to Mr. Kaushal, who is there with us, and he is the one who designed the famous train scene in the movie. How challenging was that? You said it was quite a challenge when you were given the task to design that particular scene.
Yeah, it was quite challenging because I was supposed to work with 5-6-year-old kids, and moreover, people have come from abroad and they have put so much faith in me. There was no one from abroad. I was the independent in charge of stunt department, and that faith, their faith in me, certain times it was killing, because I was to live up to their expectations, and I think I salute the kids who did the train sequence, because without their fearlessness, without their comfort level, it would not have been possible. I took every care to make it safe, and I put them to practice, and I want to tell you one thing. When Danny narrated me this sequence, so I asked Danny, give me one day and tomorrow I will come and discuss it with you. Next day morning, I went there, I took a train model, toy train with me. Then I explained how I plan to do this sequence. He was so happy. And then we rehearsed the whole sequence on a bus. First, I put the kids on harness, and slowly they got the confidence. I came to know their willpower, how strong they are. Then gradually the Ayush was to hang ulta. I just hanged him ulta. Then I came to know he can sustain that thing. Then with my stunt team, I showed them the whole sequence on a static bus. Then we rehearsed the whole thing with them on a static bus. Then slowly we started moving the bus. First I rehearsed the sequence with my stunt team, then we used to put the kids onto the thing so that they get the confidence and they feel they are safe. And we means in one day's rehearsal we locked the everything, and kids were so comfortable because they did everything on a moving bus. And when we did it on the train, everybody was very confident, and especially the kids who were to perform those stunts, because already we had rehearsed that thing. It was a big challenge for me. And one more thing I want to tell you, this riot sequence, we were shooting outside Penn Station because we had put up a set of Dharavi slums there. So it is a ritual with me that in the morning I will always I assemble my stunt team and I explain them what we are going to do today and what is expected from them. So I had about 30 stunt guys and about 150 junior artists. So I assembled them and I was explaining them what is expected from them, what they are supposed to do. And in between I was telling them, see, generally when a crew comes from abroad, they bring their own stunt director. And here these people have come and they have given me the responsibility. For me, I am feeling more responsible and we have to give them the result. And I can't do it without your support. We have to show them how capable we are.
As you said that they gave you the responsibility, and apparently Danny Boyle also has promised you the next film that he does, be it in Hollywood or in India. Is that right?
Yeah, it is right.
So looking forward to it.
Have you been next project you will...
Carry on, Mr. Kaushal.
Yeah, because he has promised me that I will be on his next project, whether he shoots a Hollywood film or a Bollywood film, because we got along so well and he was so happy with my work. Danny, Anthony, the DOP. Then I just tell you one thing, our screenplay writer, Shamon Vifoy, he sent me an email after seeing the film. I just tell you the lines which he had written on the email. Sham, fantastic work. I thought this train sequence is going to be cut from my script because it is so difficult. But you did a fantastic job and I congratulate you. That was the email he sent me.
And Mr. Kaushal, I mean, as now the movie has received 10 nominations and we'll shortly know since the awards have already started being announced, are you disappointed that there wasn't a nomination for stunts?
Because there is no category. I'm disappointed, but I'm happy that my film has got so many nominations, but there's no category for stunts. Stunts category does not get nominated in Oscars.
Thank you so much for joining us from Mumbai, Mr. Kaushal, and well, the award for the best screenplay is being announced, and let's